active and passive range of motion in order to get an accurate muscle grade, muscle strength grade. What I really want you to focus on today is just the technique. Don't get, like, let's separate technique from muscle grading for a moment, okay? Because honestly, you need to learn your definitions of your muscle grades, and we'll continue to talk about it. I don't mean to minimize it because it's very important. It's the answer to, it's the answer to your test. You do a test on somebody, you've got to write down something, okay? But that's something that you're not really going to get until you treat a bunch of patients that have other than normal strength, so that you've got something to really compare it to. What I really want you to do is, in your mind, separate from that for just a little bit and just learn the techniques. Okay? And so what we're going to do is go in the clinic like we did before, and I'll kind of walk you through each piece of that, and then it's practice time. Okay? And then where we are in the semester now is that after the next lecture, which is elbow, wrist, and hand, after the next lecture, we're done with lectures for a while. We're just focusing on practicing these skills. Because these are the basis for everything you're going to do the rest of your career. Okay? These are your assessment skills. And so we're going to move into doing a practical Tuesday. I'm going to have someone come to be my patient while I do a demo practical for you. Okay? So we're going to walk through. So we're going to pull out the grading sheet. We're going to look at what you're actually being graded on. We're going to, I'll give you a scenario, and then I'll go through all the motions of what I'm expecting from you during the practical. So every step that you need to do, how you set yourself up, what you can expect, all of that kind of stuff. And I normally have my husband come in, but he's got shingles right now, so I don't know if he's going to be up to it. So I've got, a backup plan in place. It's one of my former clients who's actually very excited about the idea of possibly coming to share her story with you, and she's more than